We are making distributions, and that's kind of uncommon in the industry right now.
Question. And I know you're talking about like struggling operators, and you spoke to some of your deals that you've gotten from struggling operators. And your guys' specific deals, how are your guys' deals performing? Are you guys struggling at all? Are you guys paying distributions or holding? How's that looking for you guys?
So we have a bit of a mixed bag. So we have one property that's struggling on the. I will say this about our entire portfolio. None of our portfolio is at risk of not making debt servicing. So our current operations is supporting all the debt servicing and our accounts payable. So we don't have any risk when it comes to that. We are making distributions. And that's kind of uncommon in the industry right now. There's a lot of I know of a very large operator that's got about $300 million out of in assets under management that didn't make a single distribution last year. So we're making distributions. We did have to pause them for about 6 months on a couple of our properties, just due to some of the things that we were seeing in the market and how it was going. But we have started those back up. We had a fire at one of our properties, which caused some significant issues, obviously. But um, we've since recovered from that, and we're started back up distributions in January of this year. Typically on the property that we acquired in July, typically we don't do distributions until we refinance, because we know that we're going to have a lot of fees that come up. We don't want any of that cash going out of the business. So the thing that operators really have to, and this is kind of, a lot of people spend a lot of time on the income statement. So when you're looking at financial reports, you're looking at income statements. People don't spend very much time on the balance sheet. And that's really what you need to focus on, because that's the health and the lifeblood of the business. So as a former executive, I've spent a ton of time on balance sheets. And that's really where I live. I won't do a district. I'd rather not send money out. And then I'd rather not spend $300 out to somebody a month and then ask them for $30,000 the next month. That's a bad deal. That's not paying attention to your balance sheet. So we're at the place where on most of our portfolio that we can make distributions. We've got enough health in on our balance sheet, and our income is there that we can make distributions, unless we're in that refinance cycle, which we're in on one.